The Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 26. What you see is what you will be. You either want to listen intently or you are just waiting to speak whatever is on your mind. Consider the fact that while we are talking, it is hard to absorb information. As a result, our own silence teaches us more than our own rhetoric. By listening, we can learn what it is specifically that others need. We can learn to see their troubles and trials. We can learn to see how they could most appreciatively be served. Service is a science, and assistance is an art. You need to know where others wish to go. Purposes are pathways. Achievement without the feeling of satisfaction is just another term for failure. When you understand what is meaningful to others, you create the opportunity to assist the dream in becoming a reality. Every audience has a passion, as every community has a deep need. The dialogue generates more thoughtful challenges than the monologue. The world needs to hear better conversation about more meaningful topics. Most people are starved for the thing that we all need most. We should be demanding knowledge that leads to understanding. We have bought long before we buy. We are selling long before we sell. The waiting game can leave you stranded. It's always as much too late as it is too early. Seeking the right time is too often an excuse for inaction. You have to take control of both decisions and destiny. Principles. 1. Author the book that you want to read. 2. Create the event that you want to attend. 3. Invent the game that you want to play. 4. Write the song that you wish to sing. 5. Bake the cake that you want to taste. 6. Build the house that you wish to inhabit. 7. Seek out the person that you wish to become. Focus on the worthwhile relationships. Time spent outside of a circle of passionate, honest, and balanced individuals is just wasted. Worry not about what you leave, but think about how what you surround yourself with fills your mind. Each thought is a canvas that you paint with strokes within your own mind. You have to make decisions. The brush has to brush the canvas. You have to make contact. If your actions are not impacting, then they are exhausting. Master the present just as much as you plan the future. Every day is perforated with visible and invisible opportunity. Ask those around you what they see and discover what is on their mind. You might be surprised. Know that what you fear is what holds you back. Break that massive problem down into 50 simple steps. Work on one new aspect every week, and you can still give yourself 2 weeks off at the end of the year. Every problem must be broken down into manageable slices. You rinse and repeat the cycle until everything is clean and clear. You continue until you find success, and then you reevaluate your progress. Mastery never ends and requires constant refreshment and refinement. This is motivation and mindset for leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.